Mainly maybe because the basket is maybe stuck on
Yes,
soil, so the level definitely will go high in the
So
network.
that will be in the.
Okay, so guys, in this PNID, there is a strainer, and this can block. So if this blocks, so the high level in the high level here,
High level will give alarm.
alarm. Yeah. So let us generate the consequence first. High level overflow. High level where?
High level is
In the main electrical. Yeah. Potential high level. Inlet chamber. No?
inlet manhole, not chamber.
Hole leading to overflow. One pressure is there. Pressure will consider. So guys, let us focus on the point wise. Pressure is there. We'll consider. ODU is there.
No, OD is not correct. This is direct.
No, we'll come. Now we are worried about the no flow. What I'm saying that we will consider everything. Pressure is there, level is there, temperature is there. So we'll discuss there. I'm sorry. Otherwise, we'll jump here and there. We'll not finish. Potential high level in the tank and overflow. So this has the same consequence. No major concern. LSH. What is the tag number? RSH. LSH 301. LSH 301. Now I want to ask Ahmed, if my strainer is blocked, how do I come to know? Now here I want something. If my strainer is blocked, how do I know?
From last float switch.
Sorry?
Last float switch, he will give alarm high in SCADA. So one operator should go.
Level high will
Also, you have people outside. Yeah, in case that one is
SOP control activity. SOP there. It's a manned operation, right? It is a manned operation. Operator will be there.
No, actually no. This
No, operator will not be
will not be there. Operator will not be there because this is manual. So it will give indication alarm only in the SCADA, but in SCADA you don't have automation on this. So they have. But you can stop. Sorry, you can.
use the alarm.
It will be alarm, and you can stop in case you have a train in the supertanker for the sludge holding tank. So you have to hold any train coming from outside. And outside, you still have people and alarm to tanker discharge area. So anyone discharge, immediately you have to give alarm to stop the discharging.
Okay, I understand. I
Because
fully.
discharging is manual.
Okay, that I got it. Okay, I will also consider this one here. If the screen is not working, then probably no flow, and this is a continuous process.